Hello, this video is about enhancing the video from one of our sermons. We're using a product called Topaz Video AI, and this is version 3. Already did that, just ignore that for now. This replaces version 2 that we used before. The big difference here is that you can have several, you can queue up multiple videos so you don't have to come back to start the next one. Also, there's some speed improvements and some other things too. But anyway, so this is a video from yesterday as I record this. Bring it in. You see it up here. You can jump around in the timeline. Sometimes I do that just to, if it was recorded for too long, it goes into the singing, then I'll go ahead and trim it to the end over here. This has actually changed as well. All right, that's probably good. Okay, let's trim it off a little bit just to save some time. On the right over here, we have the things we want to do with it. We're leaving it 1080p, same frame rate as before. We don't need stabilization. It has at least haven't in the past. Motion deblur I turn on. I use the same one as before, or the default one, Themis. I don't need frame interpolation. I do turn on enhancement, progressive. What comes up is fine. Don't add any noise. Set for you are the output settings, so it's in the right thing. It also, by the way, will automatically write to the shared drive, so I set it to where is it? Directories to sermons 2023. So obviously 2024 we'll need to update that, but not a big deal. Obviously right now. So what I like to do, just to give a thing, is to pick something where you can see the preacher, hit preview, and then once it's ready, which usually doesn't take very long, then you can just grab and pull over to see their face, let it finish up, and then you can see the differences. With this being streamed to me, it may be hard to tell, but you can see there's less noise over here, better definition to Ricky's face and hair. You can see it here with the suit, the noise in the suit kind of goes down, so it just generally makes it better. You can just pause that whenever you're done. Whenever you're ready, just hit export, and it will do a loading model. This may go back and forth a little bit, and then it goes off. It seems to be faster than before. I mean, it's actually slowing. Actually, maybe about the same. But anyway, it'll go straight to the shared drive. So if you want to just wait that long, you can come back in and check it. I think, let me double check what FileZilla shows. In the wrong place. Sermons 3. I believe it will say, yeah, it'll say temp. This is the file it's creating. As long as it says temp, it works. So you can come back later, right click and refresh, and you can see it growing. Once the temp is gone, it's done. So you can pull it down. Also, this is something to be aware of. Actually, you can see it here. This is a sermon we're not publishing. I just put it on the shared drive just to save it. And you notice it's quite large, almost 13 gigabytes. The ones we produce, though, are the ones that come out of the enhancement process, are a lot smaller, like maybe 1/4 the size. And so just be aware of that too. If you want to use the raw ones, it's going to take a while to download over FTP. Um, I think that's it for this one. And then once this is done, um, I will I will also be replacing the video for enhancing the audio because I've found a better way to do that. But that'll be a little bit. So anyway, bye for now.